Okay, so new day, new track. It's Sunday here in Krasnoyarsk, and we're at Forward Auto, which is that workshop, and they're running. It's called Zimkhana, isn't it?
Yeah, Zimkhana.
Zimkhana, which is a winter drift competition. We have a number of RDS drivers and a number of the winter drift drivers, and basically it's some form of head-to-head. I'm not exactly sure how it's working, but we're going to learn as the day is going on. This is the track. It's like a copy of Ibisu with the jump at the start, and they're starting way up on you have a start ramp that you reverse onto.
It's cool.
It is cold, and it's cool. It's definitely cool.
I know.
So you flick over the jump, then you have the wall. Transition. And you run this wall all the way down the hill, and you're finished. So we're starting practice in a few minutes. It's pretty cold, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. When you're driving, you get really, really warm. But getting covered in snow. It's really awesome experience, and I'm loving it. So we'll jump straight into the car. Still driving this 2102.
2102 or 2101?
2101 is ours, and 2102 is the estate.
Ah.
I learned that as well this week. So here's Gotcha. Nice. Gotcha in the mirror. Alright, let's check the car. So on this track we're running non-studded tyres, and they're surprisingly good grip. So she's ready to go. Really enjoy this car. We take off in second gear, which is in the position of first gear, and then shift to second. So it's hello.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes, we're ready. Thank you. Here's Losov. Alright, let's go.
Okay. Are you ready?
I think so.
Are you excited?
I am excited, yeah. New day, good sleep. I just forgot my gloves, and we're in the winter.
It's like James has forgotten his gloves. Whoops.
Like, the one thing you really need here.
It's okay. Right, I'll be watching. Good luck. Bye.
Thank you. I just risked it really hard coming down the hill on initiation, and then I was like, oh, this is close, and when I was braking a little bit later than him, I just touched him and the back of the car touched the wall at the same time, man. It was fun.
I saw her, I was like, oh no, oh no, chips.
Not too bad though. Hopefully I can get a bit more grip. Yeah, so good fun. My clutch is smelling a little bit because I'm taking off in second gear, but I need to try to take off in first gear. But it's hard because first gear is where fifth gear is normally, and then you have to shift to where second gear is, which is where first gear is normally. So I'll try it in the next run. We got qualifying next. Had some great fun there driving with Timu, and it was really fun. So he is just 19 years old, getting into drifting, and he's a great driver. So we both had some close tandem there. Okay, so back in the car, we're ready for qualifying. We are excited to see how it goes. So I want you to initiate over the jump, like with a small flick, weight transfer, flick back, and then go as fast and as wide as possible down by the wall. If you can clip the wall, that's exactly what they're looking for, just the edge of it before you start bringing the car in, and carry as much speed as possible up the hill onto the top section where you have a touch and go, and then you go back down to the wall again. So it's a very fun layout, and we'll see how we get on. So my first time ever competing in an ice drift event. We will have fun. Run number 2.
Ну а пока Матюль Зимхана, Джеймс Дин, второй проезд. Набирает скорость, короткий слип, постановка вдоль стеночки! Хо-хо-хо-хо! Что творит этот парень из Ирландии? Вы только гляньте! Самый крутой угол, в этом я абсолютно уверен. Вдоль вот этой стены с баннерами также супер качественно. И дальше ни единой коррекции. Отстегивает бампер от двойки. У-ху-ху! Этим спецэффектом, мне кажется, позавидовал бы даже Голливуд, даже Стивен Спилберг, я думаю, отдыхает где-то. Ни один бампер не пострадал. Это просто бешеный топ. 94 балла. Пам! Судьи за вот это.
Oh my god. So just finished my second qualifying run. 99 points. Lost the rear bumper coming around the last corner. Jeez, that was some fun. I'm just gobsmacked. I'm shaking. Jesus, I'm shaking, but loving it. I'm really delighted. Pushed as hard as possible, and as I was saying before the last run, it feels really challenging, like real competition, and I'm just trying my best. So very happy with that. Okay, so qualifying is over. We managed to win the qualifying overall between the Winter Drift Battle guys and RDS drivers. So 99 points. Losif was right behind me with 98.5. So very close at the top. The back of the car is getting a little bit battered. A little opening there. They still got good lights, but having so much fun. So now we get into the battles. Hopefully we have enough grip in this car, but we'll try our best. I'm just going to have fun and see what happens. But overall, I'm delighted with that result, just qualifying first and in a totally new experience, a new competition format. So it's been very fun. So let's see how the battles go. Okay, so we're into the top 8. We're battling Imohan in his white Lada, and he drives a coilers 15 in RDS, so it's going to be a fun battle. we'll see how we get on. So let's see. So we just won our top 8 battle. We had a bye in our top 16 run. So now that means that we're into top 4, but it's different here. So they're running 2 top 16s. One is for RDS drivers and the other is for winter drift battle drivers. So the guys who do that series just in ice only. And basically it's 2 top 16s and the top 4 from each. So I managed to get the top 4 in the RDS and the top 4 from the winter drift battle. We'll all go head to head, so I think that's another top 8, but now we'll be battling the guys from the winter drift battle. So it's been a lot of fun. I'm enjoying it, and we'll see how far we can go, but it's all fun for me. I'm not taking it seriously. I'm just smiling and laughing with every lap I do, and it's a great experience. What an amazing track. Oh yes, wheels off the ground. Nice, thank you.
Два победителя квалификации в своих группах. И начинает движение. Джеймс Дин против Максима Гроссмана. Джеймс Дин лидирует, Максим Гроссман преследует. Синхронная постановка. Воу! Качественный проезд в исполнении Максима Гроссмана, который всеми правдами и неправдами старается поспеть за Джеймсом. И это у него получается весьма и весьма неплохо, скажу я вам, дамы и господа. И финиширует эта пара фееричнейший проезд. Участник этой пары Джеймс Дин просто что-то невероятное сотворил на постановке там. Подъехал нереально близко к стене. Даниил Адашкин мозжит со страшной силой. Ирланд. Насколько крут Джеймс Дин, мы знаем, насколько крут Эдуард Гурский. Все возможно в этой паре. Так, Эдуард Гурский из-за спины Джеймса Дина выпрыгивает уже с большим углом. Джеймс с отличным углом начинает преследование. О-хо-хо! Эдик на перекладке творит просто что-то невероятное. И буквально после перекладки приклеивается к двойке Джеймса Дина. Ребята, это просто безумие. Корк, Ирландия, Красноярск, Россия. Синхронная постановка, и у Саши Петропавловского какие-то, ну не технические, вернее, а проблемы просто на постановке возникли. Воу! Ну вот перекладку освоил Саша Петропавловский просто шедеврально, стоит отметить. И пересекает этот тандем финишную черту.
Thank you for the help. Pleasure, guys. Becky, I know who you are. Thank you. That was great fun.
Thank you for that.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
Very good fun. Very good. Very good. It was an awesome day. We qualified first. And what way did it work? So it was the top 16 RDS drivers versus top 16 winter drift battle drivers. So the guys that just drive on ice always. And basically, we got to the top 4 of the RDS thing. That means that we went up against the top 4 in the winter drift battles. And we had 4 battles in a row, so we battled each of the 4 winter drift battle drivers, and we won 2 battles, lost 2. I lost the 2 battles by pushing too hard, braking too late. It's totally different technique to, my hands are shaking, so take no notice. You're running away. It's a totally different technique to drifting on, even in the wet. Because in the wet you have a lot more grip, you can leave the braking a lot later. So that was the biggest thing I had to get used to in tandem, but I had some really good fun. And qualified first, won 2. Actually, all the battles today I won. I had 6 battles. I won 4 out of 6 battles in total. So not bad for the first time drifting on ice. I'll definitely be. Oh, my shake! It's great. I'm just. Oh my god, this is terrible. I'm just out of it. Oh shit! Thank you. Good. It's alright. Yeah, I'm just out of the car, so the adrenaline is still pumping. But great day. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.
James Dean. James, come to the podium. Второе место. Эдуард Гурский. И победитель Максим Гроссман.